Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Let me know if you guys hear me good on YouTube and on the Discord. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. YouTube, you guys hear me fine? Perfect, perfect. Thank you, guys. Wow, look at that. Shout out to whoever watched my video and took down these levels. 514 was the best level to short. Look exactly where we're starting to fall off from at the highest key level that we had. Let's look at the game plan that we have for today. Um, let's put previous close down here at 511.28. So pretty much okay. So the levels that we are watching today, the higher level we have 514. After that we have a micro level of 513.08. After that we have 512.85, and then we originally had our sell short zone between 512.50 and 512.60. We are currently coming we gapped above the level we were supposed to short. We're coming back down to it, so this is going to be a level for calls or for longs so far, right? We don't know if this is going to be an overreaction play, how low we're going to go, but this is the first level that I'm probably going to try 512.50, 512.60. Okay. The next level that I want to be buying longs and calls at is going to be 512, right? We have the 200 EMA here. It was the previous support of March 8th. This is going to be a great level to be buying calls, and there is a chance this could dip 19 cents down and hit our major level at 511.81. So, when you are trading, guys, and I'm giving you guys key levels, you have to be watching. Like, so the first key level I gave you, 514, right? You see how we broke above it, touched it as support, went a little higher, we broke back down, we retested this. Now 514 is a resistance, okay? Let's go to our next key level. Our next key level is 513.08. We came down to it, we stopped. Next candle, we came up, retested it, resistance. This is why we're getting a deeper sell-off. Each level that I'm giving you guys, and not just me giving you guys, just the key levels that you guys are making yourself and you are trading off of, you have to make sure when you're watching the 5-minute time frame, you're going to be watching for rejections of the upper level, because once one level becomes a resistance, it's going to go to the next level on the lower end. Turns resistance, it's going to the next one. And even if we break through like 2 or 3 key levels, if we're on the 4th level and it acts as a resistance, you still don't buy the calls, because your lower key level that you have is a resistance, right? Yes, it could come back up to retest, but we have to wait for the first candle to close above for us to play for the retest. If we retest 514, we have to watch the price action. We need to watch which levels are acting as support. But you guys see the level that I told you guys, if we gap down, we came up to it to hit puts. This was our short. But then we end up gapping up. We come back down to it. This is why I told you guys, now this is going to be a long position, a good entry to be buying calls and longs at. Unfortunately, this is happening in the pre-market. Only futures traders are able to hit this trade right now. But as you can tell, that was the best entry so far to be buying calls, and you were able to catch this move and sell immediately. So for right now, guys, to leave you for the rest of the day, we have the highest level 514, the lowest level 511.81, and then we have in between. Once we see a rejection of 511.81, we're going to be going to 510.50, the previous resistance of yesterday and the previous support of yesterday, 510.83 to 510.50 on the lower end, right? This is where we are most likely going once we reject 511.81. Let's go to the higher side. As long as we're holding 581 as a support, The next level we're going to is 512.50 to 512.60. Once we hold these as support, guys, we're going to be seeing 513.08. 513.08 becomes a support. 512.85 to 513.08, we will retest 514 again. That's what I'm playing, guys. And you can always zoom out, guys, and look. You can make your own key levels, okay? You can see the first drop where we ended up holding support. You can even add another one right here at 513.72. This is a great level as well to be scalping in the macro. Yes, while being 511.14 has been a great level. You're definitely correct. But that's what I'm playing. Other than that, guys, we're still trading in a sideways channel, high end, low end. Um, I'm just gonna be trading the price action when it goes to when we are at the key levels. So I gave you guys the higher end. I gave you guys the lower end. So it's pretty much in a 3-point channel, right? 3 to 4 point channel. Just say 514 to 510. Take down, pause this video. I'm not deleting it, so you can come back to it and take down all my key levels, guys. Make sure you're adding the previous close. Think about it as a massive magnet down here. SPY wants every gap to fill. It's going to try its hardest to fill this gap. 511.28, I'm going to hit the calls for the gap close reversal. When am I going to stop out? If we come to previous close, guys, and we get a deep move down, we're going to come back up. I'm going to sell my calls here because this is when the previous support can turn into a resistance, and it's going to be a gap and go, right? We fill the gap and we just keep going. And that's when you know it's safe to swap size once you see the previous close act as a resistance. But that is it for me today, guys. That's what I'm going to be playing. 514, great level for puts. Give it a little bit, okay? Give it like a 20-cent grace. Don't go too heavy right at 514 because if you're just looking at Friday, you could tell that we went like almost 50 cents. This thing could bounce or break above 514, okay? So this is exactly what I'm going to be playing, guys. If you'd like to be part of the Discord, the link is in the bio. We have a 5-day free trial happening right now. And I'm going to head over to the Discord. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for your support. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Or tonight. I'm going to make a video. Take care, guys.